Namaste everyone. So welcome you all in this session of mental health practitioner course. In today's session we are going to discuss about the opioids. So opioids are called as narcotics and these all are the chemical compounds which is actually helpful to reduce the pain in various diseases as well. So let's try to understand it. So, opioids, sometimes called as the narcotics, are actually the class of drugs that are chemicals, natural or synthetic, that interacts with the nerve cells and have the potential to reduce the pain. Healthcare providers typically prescribe opioids to manage to moderate to severe pain. However, the opioids can become addictive because they not only dull pain but also produces a sense of euphoria. This combined with tolerate with the build with the needing to increase doses to produce the same effect can lead to opioid use disorder. Because of this, providers have modified their prescribing practices to reduce the length and the strength of opioids to try to prevent addictions. What are the opioids approved for? Prescription opioids are approved for managing moderate to severe pain. This can include the sometimes of acute pain, sudden and the short term, and also cancer related pain, post surgical pain, vascular pain such as acute sickle cell crisis, etc. So the US Food and Drug Administration, that the FDA, has also approved the use of some opioids to treat intense coughing and chronic diarrhea, etc. Lopamide is an opioid which healthcare provide to treat the diarrhea, irritable bowel syndrome, which is the IBS. Opioids such as quinine and also there are more than that are useful to actually for the cough suppressants, those who have the chest congestion. Opioids is an umbrella term that represents all compounds to bind to opioid receptor. Opioid receptor are found in throughout your central and peripheral nervous system as well as your gastrointestinal, the GIT tract. These receptors regulate many body functions, including the pain, mood, stress, reward, and gastrointestinal functions, breathing, respiration, etc. Once activated, that opioid receptors initiate a cascade of chemical reactions that ultimately modulate the transmission of pain in signals. Opioid also cause the neurons that produce dopamine, the neurotransmitter that plays a role in how we feel to pleasure, to fire, to more frequently. This creates a feeling of euphoria, intense, so you can say happiness, you will find out. So, some opioids are used to stop diarrhea by slowing the gastric motility, the process by which the food travels through your digestive tract via in a series of muscular contraction. The allows from more time for absorption of the food in your system. So what kinds and what are the types of opioids? So there are over 100 different types of prescription opioids. The most commonly prescribed opioids, some of the most common called as the with the brand names it is. First one is the hydrocodone and also oxycodone, oxymorphone, morphine, codeine, fentanyl, etc. There are many more than that. So in this way, other than that, there are a lot that methadone is also one of them, hydromorphone, etc. So what should I tell my, you know, healthcare provider? So before taking the opioids, before taking any opioid, you should ask first under the guidance of the doctor. So, in a discussion with your providers, healthcare doctors, whether you need to take opioids, you should discuss the following topics first. Okay, whether there are some medicines or therapies that might treat your pain, the risk and the benefits of taking opioids. What are the risks behind it and what are the benefits? Your medical history will be one of them. If you or anyone in your family having a history of substance use or addiction of drugs or alcohol, before taking it, definitely you should ask with the doctors. Any other medicines or supplements you are taking with may interact with the opioid, how much alcohol you drink, and also if you are pregnant or planning to become pregnant. If you are use the marijuana, cannabis, which is a prescription, definitely marijuana and cannabis. If you are use any street drugs, you also need to tell your provider to any medical conditions you have the opioids can worsen the effects of certain conditions and the vice versa. For example, people with the lung conditions and breathing issues may not be able to manage the respiratory depression caused by opioids. If people with liver or kidney issues take opioids, they may have poor excretion and metabolism as well, which may result in the accumulation of harmful byproducts. People with certain adrenal gland and also the thyroid issues may be more sensitive to opioids. So, why are opioids addictive? The main reason opioids have a high addiction potential is because they not only relieve pain but also creates a sense of euphoria, which I have told you that intense happiness, intense a sense of happiness, sense of goosebumps you are feeling, which many people find pleasurable. People who have used opioids regularly soon develop a tolerance to these effects, maybe tolerance this much and after that this much, and also more of the drug in the attempt to get the original intensity to the pain relief and euphoria. Chronic use or misuse of opioids can lead to psychological and physical dependence problems. So along with that, people are psychologically dependent when a drug is to center to their thoughts, emotions and activities. Sometimes they feel happy, that the need to continue to use becomes a craving and compulsion despite the negative consequences. So, with physical dependence, your body has been adapted to the presence of the drug. With withdrawal symptoms happen if you suddenly stop taking the drug or you can reduce the dosage. People who are physically dependent on the opioids experiencing withdrawal symptoms when they stop taking the drug, definitely they have different things. These symptoms are the unpleasant and may not be likely to take more of the drug to stop withdrawal symptoms. So does everyone who is prescribed an opioid being addicted? So no, not everyone taking the prescription opioids becomes addicted to them when prescription instructions are carefully followed and the chances of becoming addicted are decreased. So definitely if somebody having the pain problems, they need to take opioids, but in terms of the guidance of your doctor. Opioids are useful for treating the acute pain through the short term use. However, when a prescribing the drug is used to outside of the instructions and also to the chronic pain, the risk of developing opioid use disorder can be increased. Opioids can give you the pleasurable effects, the effects which is having the goosebumps. You will feel relaxed, you will feel most the feeling was so good, so that is why people start to taking it, but instead there is a bad result of opioids. And so definitely if you are taking, take in a, don't take without the instructions of the doctors. So this is all about the session of opioids. Thank you so much for joining it.